15 divided by 1 over 3 times 3. 3 into here 1, 3 into here 1. Then we are left with 15 divided by 1. 15 divided by 1 will give us 15. 15 is the wrong answer to this question because we do not work with the order of operation. According to the order of operation, division and multiplication have equal priorities, so we must work from our left to our right. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with 15 divided by 1 over 3 using KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 15, change division to multiplication, then flip 1 over 3 to 3 over 1, then multiply by 3 here. Now we are going to simplify. 1 into 8 1, 1 into 15 is still 15. Then we have 15 times 3 times 3. Now we are going to move from our left to our right. 15 times 3 will give us 45. Then we have 45 times 3. 45 times 3 will give us 135. 135 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.